And we're gonna this is my second time recording it. He's laughing at me because I thought I pushed record and I wasn't, so I'm gonna redo what I was saying. We're on the way to the movies, and Junior, we thought, what we're gonna see?
Sing two.
There you go. Earlier they sang Kanto. But anywho, we're trying to do this thing on the weekends where we go out with our kids, like Nick and Nick Jr. and his dad will go out somewhere, and then me and Amari.
No, you have to say Nick.
Nick and Nick will go somewhere, and then me and Amari, Mama and Amari will go somewhere on our weekends, and then sometimes we just do a family to get, gathering. So it's like when we have the girls, all the girls go with their dad, and then Junior go with me, and then another time we'll switch. We'll just pick a day, either Saturday or Sunday, just for us to get together. I would like to do that often. It ain't even gotta be something expensive, get some McDonald's and go to the park, or what else you think? It ain't really gotta be expensive, just going to McDonald's by itself, just having that quality time with your child. I think that's very important, especially because my kids, they're getting emotional, and they're learning more things. We're learning more things about them as they get older. So I feel like the one-on-one time with your child is very important, especially being young. They remember a lot. I know my son brings up a lot of stuff to me that I'll be like, boy, you were little, how you remember that? So yeah, we're going to the movies today as a family, and we're gonna go Sing 2. What we're gonna do after that?
We gotta get some stuff for the house.
Oh yeah, we gotta get some stuff for the house. So me and my husband, I always say that like as if they don't know who you are, but me and Nick were talking about I was talking to Nick about me getting back into decorating the house, because I want it to feel more homey. Like, we got so many blank walls that it just feels like we're still moving in, and we've been there for like almost 2 years, 3 years, going on 3 years.
2 years? No, it hasn't been 3.
I know, right? We don't ever keep up. 2019 though.
No, it was 2020 because it was
2020.
middle of the pandemic.
Oh yeah. So I was just talking to him about that. So I'm very I save my money, so I don't think about like spending it on much of anything, but except the things that we need. So I'm trying to. I know he just got done.
Get it and I let it go.
Yeah. So I'm trying to venture off on his side, but not too much. Still have a balance, and know how much I can spend. But that's gonna be what we're gonna be doing today. So we just got out of Home Depot, but the movie was so good. The kids loved it. Amari, she was smiling and laughing through the whole thing. Babe, did you like the movie?
I liked the movie.
You liked the movie?
I was laughing too.
We were like, so we got there a little late, so we didn't get to see the beginning of it, but whatever
Like
part we
15
came
minutes
into it, yeah.
It probably wasn't long, maybe 5 minutes.
Now we're about to get ready to go pick up his Xbox, and then we're gonna go to the mall to get some Chick-fil-A because
No, we gotta go home, get the receipt, and then we can go.
Is that what I said?
No.
What'd I say?
Go pick up his Xbox.
Well, we gotta go home, get the receipt to pick up the Xbox. Then we're gonna go to the mall where the Xbox is at, get the Xbox, and then get some Chick-fil-A.
And then walk around the mall, maybe buy some shoes.
Boy, I tell you. But yeah, so we're gonna do that now. Jay, I hope you're not eating boogers. But I'm laying down. I was watching this show called Dating Around on Netflix. I think that show is pretty cool. Like, there's no host or anything. Like, it just goes straight to the point. Like, they get on their dates. I guess they go on about 4 or 5 dates with different people, but they wear the same outfit each different day. And they just kind of choose who they like. People get denied this. Like, when they ask for a number, they're like, no, I think this is not work. You know, they actually let it be known that they, you know, it's not going to go any further. I think that's pretty cool. Like, people should go on more dates that after they found themselves, the ones that have been single for so long. I think that was a good show for people like that. Because you kind of, you know what you're looking for, and you get straight to the point. That's why I like that show. Because they not like tiptoeing around questions, and they ask questions like, when's the last time you had sex? When's the last time you been on a date? Where you stay? Like, do you stay with your mama, your parents, or you live alone? Like, they want to know all these questions. Of course, they're adults, so of course you know, you're expecting them to ask questions like that on the first date. But and then in the end, after they do their dates, they pick the person that they want to go on the second date with, and it shows them venturing off with that person and hoping that they do continue their relationship after the show. But like I said, there's no host or anything. You get straight to the point. I like that. You get straight to the point, what they're trying to do. And yeah, it's like not a reality TV. So I enjoy that part of it. But I can't finish watching because this guy wants to put on the Xbox. What did he say? Xbox wants some. So I gotta wait for him to finish. My sister bought some Pampers to me from Houston. We really appreciate it. We gotta get the baby room all fixed up. We have not got anything for this baby at all. Like, nothing at all. Because at first, we don't even know what we're having, so that's part of it too. But I mean, we could at least get the crib. Oh, excuse me, more Pampers and wipes and things like that. But we have time. I'm 16 weeks, so we have a bit of time. Yes, I got my scarf on. I have to have my scarf on because I didn't want my hair to mess up when I take this nap. Then my face is getting so oily. Like, I can't even find the right makeup to fix this oiliness besides like wearing some powder or taking some powder with me and like dapping it on my face every now and then. But I ain't got time for that. I'm not a makeup fanatic or anything like that. So I want to be, but I can't never find the right cheap makeup. I'm not the type of person to spend a lot of money on makeup like that. I'll probably spend a lot of money on hair before I do makeup. And Nick can't stand hair. So. A button? You know that baby can hear you.
For real?
Yeah. I just said at this point I can hear like noises and stuff like that.
Say.
Boy!
Stop.
Do we hope it's a boy? I gotta fill out that information. So I can know the genetic testing thing.
You gotta fill it out?
Yeah, I gotta fill out something online.
I thought you were already done.
No, you gotta do it like 3 days after. It's been 4 days, so I can fill it out now.
Why you gotta do it again? So they can tell you?
Yeah,